Find or read reviews that people are talking about Manastin portable steam sauna. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Easy installation, portable convenience. No need for complex tools or professional installation. This portable sauna are as easy to build as children's building blocks. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for homes, apartments, or gyms, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of sauna wherever you are. Quick heating for instant comfort. Bring the sauna experience to your home and enjoy rapid heating for immediate relaxation. This sauna box is uniquely designed with a 1200 watt steamer, a water capacity of 3 liters and a total of 15 heating levels. It takes just 9 minutes to heat up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, ready to meet your relaxation needs. Promoting health, improving quality life. Sauna therapy has been proven beneficial for health, including improving blood circulation, relieving muscle fatigue, and reducing stress. Choosing our sauna room not only offers relaxation but also supports the well-being of you and your family. Spacious design, preserving comfort. Our saunas are spacious in size, measures 31x31x71 inch, LXWXH. The spaciousness ensures that you have plenty of room to stretch out, and you can choose to stand or sit to fully enjoy your sauna experience. In addition, the sauna is equipped with sturdy folding chairs that can hold up to 250 kilograms or 550 pounds. In this private space, you can relax and enjoy a healthy sauna therapy. Premium quality and safety features. This portable steam sauna is constructed with 3 layers of high-quality material for remarkable insulation. Made of 304 stainless steel, the steam pot has the advantage of durability and is equipped with dry burn protection to ensure a safe sauna experience every time. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.